Okay, everyone, this is Keith. So I want to show you right now how to generate a free MD5 uh, hash value. And this is real important because when you're setting up an Ecwid store or others that use the MD5 hash value, you need to generate this code yourself. Now, a lot of the people at authorized.net and these other gateways don't know this. So you generate this MD5 hash value yourself. Okay, so it's 20 digits. What you're going to do is just type in random letters here and just count to 20. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so once you do that, you generate the your hash value. Okay, so you got it. Now you take a screenshot of this, copy and paste this to a note, save this information. But this is what you're going to use when you create and put in your hash value into your Ecwid store. Okay, so this is extremely important. And again, Ecwid doesn't know about it. The authorized.net people don't know about it. Literally, you can spend hours on the phone wrestling with both of these technical service departments, and they'll be pointing the finger at each other. Okay, so you put this both on your Ecwid site, and you're going to put this into your authorized.net account or your other payment gateway that you're using. But this is the hashtag value that you're going to put in. Okay, guys, this is extremely important, and it can save you a lot of time. I hope you got something from this video. Thanks.